Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Zelle to Bitcoin wallet. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So to get started, you can't send money directly from Zelle to a Bitcoin wallet, but you can do it indirectly using a crypto exchange. So to get started with this workaround method, you have to create an account on crypto exchange that accept bank transfer. For example, Coinbase, Binance. You can also use Kraken. Then after that, link your bank account to the exchange. Then from there, you can transfer money from Zelle to your bank account. If not already there, then deposit fund into your crypto exchange account using the bank transfer. Then buy Bitcoin on the exchange. Then send Bitcoin from the exchange to your Bitcoin wallet address. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.